Hello, my name is Juan Lugo, and welcome to Memorial High School Technology Committee Screencast on how to manually add students to your Google Classroom. First thing we want to do is come to our Power Teacher Pro, select a class. I've selected Homeroom. Then we come over here to the left and we choose Reports. We want to run a student roster report. Here we have our student roster report. I'm going to name it Homeroom. Select which class you want. Have home selected. We have, I want to sort the option by last name, and then I want to add a column. This column that I want is student number. That is our ID. I will get rid of this column right here because I don't want it and move this one up. Last thing we want to do is make sure that on format here that we have a Excel sheet. We run our report. We click save. And now our report is here. The bottom up. What I like to do is work in Google Sheets, so I'm just going to copy this over. Now we have our names and our IDs. Let's copy. Open a Google Sheet. Control V. Paste it. Now we have all our students here with their IDs. Next, I want to do is maybe just open this up a little bit. I'm going to create their email address by WNY schools, comma, and space. And we want to make sure that we have a space in between. This is very, very important to manually adding students to your Google Classroom. Once we do that, we come here and get our crosshairs, this little box right here. Either drag it or double click really quickly, and now we have this here. Now we're going to run a simple formula. I'm going to put equal CONCATENATE concatenate and press enter. Then we come here and we choose which columns we want. We want B and drag it over to C. And over here you see B1 and C1. I press enter. From here, all we want to do in order to add these is the same thing we did before, was double click, get the crosshair on the little box and double click. Now we have all the emails for this homeroom to create this class. I'm going to select all the way down, Control C or right click copy, and then we're going to go to our Google Classroom. Here in our Google Classroom, we want to come up to people, select it, and invite student. I'm going to click here. We're going to either go right click and paste, or we're just going to do Control V. Come down here to invite, click invite. Now you see all our students are populated, but remember we always have to have that space. You click invite. Now you see that all these students have been invited into this classroom, and we're waiting on them to accept the invitation. Once the invitations show up for the students, if they go back to their classes, their hub, they will get an icon with a join, a blue box that says join on the bottom. Thank you for watching. My name is Juan Lugo for the Memorial High School Technology Committee Screencast on how to manually add students to your Google Classroom. Have a great day.